Every pint of chocolate ice cream begins here.
Welcome to our facility. We're proud of the process here, and it all starts right over here at the receiving bay.
Heavy cream fat content confirmed at 36%. Batch approved. Pasteurized liquid egg yolks pass rapid test with less than 100 RLU. But before every batch reaches you, it must pass through one of the most rigorous quality testing protocols in food manufacturing. Here in the Quality Control Laboratory, we ensure every batch meets our high standards. We're testing for overrun,
Here's the manifest and the COA for the ice cream.
Looks perfect. The temperature strip is blue. We can sign off on this batch.
Particle size reduction is critical to the quality of our chocolate liquor, ensuring premium chocolate ice cream.
Two, 1, 8, and 4. Everything looks good. Generating report.
The allergen matrix lists milk and egg yolks, and here on the product packaging it clearly states, contains milk, egg, may contain traces of soy.
100% traceability, from farm to freezer, in under 10 seconds. Our critical rules begin with proper hand hygiene. Follow the 20-second, 6-step method demonstrated here before entering the production area. The hazelnut balance needs improvement. We will reduce the base sugar by 5% for the next trial.
Look at the wear pattern on these blades. We definitely caught this in time. Good thing we scheduled this PM.
The CIP hasn't been clearing the residue either.
And the drying procedures?
Fully compliant with the BRC standards, madam.
Excellent. We are pleased to confirm your approved status.
Welcome, everyone. To begin the gowning process, please take a hairnet and ensure all hair is covered.
From the cocoa fields of Ghana to your freezer, every pint of premium chocolate ice cream is the result of
We take immense pride in crafting the perfect scoop. From the ingredients to the final packaging, it's this dedication that makes our chocolate ice cream so special.
And that's the full journey, from raw cocoa beans all the way to this perfect pint of premium chocolate ice cream. Every step you've seen today.
If you found this fascinating, and I think you did, please hit that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell.
Thank you so much for watching. Night. See you in the next one.
We're taking you even deeper into the quality lab, where the real science behind perfect chocolate ice cream happens every single day.
We take 412 minus 308 divided by 308 times 100. Corrected to standard overrun interpretation, that is 83.7% overrun. Pass.
Every pint of chocolate ice cream begins here.